In this video, I'm going to show you how to deactivate your LinkedIn account. It's pretty simple and easy. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. On your LinkedIn homepage, navigate to the top left corner where you see your profile menu and tap on it. Scroll down until you locate settings and tap on it. You land on an interface like this. Proceed to tap on account preferences. Then on this interface, scroll down until you locate hibernate account. Proceed to tap on it. This will drop you to an interface like this where you'll be prompted to provide the reason why you want to hibernate your account. In any way, this is optional, so if you have any reason that you want to deactivate your account, you can proceed to toggle on any of them. Then after which you can scroll down until you locate next, then proceed to tap on next, and congratulations, you have successfully deactivated your LinkedIn account. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.